Are you looking for the best portable induction cooktop burners? Today, I'm testing the top 5 portable induction cooktops on the market. We're talking about burners that can boil water in under 2 minutes, save you 50% on energy, and stay cool to the touch. I've put them through the ultimate. Stick around because the winner isn't the one you'd expect. Let's dive in. Product number 1. Duxtop 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. Experience Duxtop 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. Requires induction-compatible cookware. If a magnet sticks well to the bottom of the pan and is at least 5 inches in diameter, it should be compatible. Duxtop Induction Cooktop uses 120-volt 15-amp electrical outlet, standard in all North American homes, lightweight and compact for easy handling and storage. Digital control panel, built-in countdown digital timer with 1-minute increments up to 170 minutes. 10 temperature range from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 power levels from 200 to 1800 watts. Product number 2. Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner. Experience Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner. Portable Induction Burner. Duxtop Induction Cooktop uses 110 to 120 volt 15-amp electrical outlet, standard in all North American homes. ETL listed and built to North American electrical standards. It is lightweight and compact for easy handling and storage. Choose from 20 preset power levels, 100 to 1800 watts, and 20 preset temperature level settings, 100 degrees F to 460 degrees F. With an 83% energy efficiency, induction burner is more efficient than traditional gas or electric stoves. Product number 3. Amio Portable Induction Cooktop Hot Plate Countertop Burner 1800 watts induction burner with LCD sensor touch. High power cooking. The Amio Induction Cooktop features 1800 watts of power for fast, efficient cooking. Perfect for any kitchen, dorm, RV, or outdoor use, offering professional-level results on a portable countertop burner. LCD sensor touch controls. Easy-to-use LCD sensor touch interface allows precise control of cooking settings. Effortlessly adjust temperature, power, and timers with a simple touch for seamless operation and convenience. Product number 4. Impava Portable Induction Hot Plate Cooktop. Experience Impava Portable Induction Hot Plate Cooktop. Precision cooking redefined. Experience unparalleled control with this induction cooktop's digital interface. Whether you need a gentle simmer or a rapid boil, adjust temperatures between 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit with precision in 20 degree Fahrenheit increments. The melt, keep warm, and simmer settings offer specialized heat options without the need to restart if adjustments are necessary. Tailor your cooking time on the go for perfect results every time. Temperature mastery at your fingertips. With 18 distinct temperature levels, this cooktop puts the power of culinary precision in your hands. Choose from 3 quick-access preset temperatures for common cooking needs, or dial in the exact heat you require for gourmet dishes. Adjusting the duration of cooking mid-process is straightforward and hassle-free, ensuring your meals are cooked just right. Product number 5. Portable Induction Cooktop 20 Temperature. Experience Portable Induction Cooktop 20 Temperature. High efficiency and rapid heating. 1800 watt induction cooktop delivers exceptional heating performance, up to 2x faster than traditional stoves. The 6.8-inch induction coil ensures even heat and consistent cooking results. Precise temperature control. Features 20 power levels, P1 through P20, and 20 temperature settings from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit for precise control. easily adjust to your cooking needs, from gentle simmering to high-heat searing.